are getting out of hand. Things are getting out of hand. Prices of goods high. Cost of rendering services high. From markets to stores, pillars to posts, nothing is getting better. Everyone is crying. Which way, Nigeria? Everyone is asking. Which way, Nigeria? Which way, Nigeria? Which way, Nigerians? Wallahi, tallahi, things have gone wrong. Everything is wrong is with us. In the quest to make it quick, people are dying quick, quick. Drivers are dying driving. Teachers are teaching madly. Professionals are professing madly. What of religious leaders, politicians, the government and the governed? Our artisans are artistically mad. Even our non-professionals, unprofessionals, sionals and sionals. Everyone has really gone mad. Everyone is crying. Which way, Nigeria? Everyone is asking. Which way, Nigeria? Which way, Nigeria? Which way, Nigerians? Our children are asking us. Which way, Nigeria? Our roads are asking us. Which way, Nigeria? Our airlines are asking. Which way, Nigeria? Our stomachs are asking us.